Hey YouTube, it's me, the String Launcherman, but this is going to Propeller Luigi's channel. And yeah, as you can see, we're on the roof, and it's freezing cold out here. It's freezing cold. Okay?
It's kind of dark.
Yeah, good thing we have the flashlight on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the roof, and I'm not really that cold. It's mostly just my fingers, but otherwise, like I'm mostly fine, you know.
Yeah. We are cool.
Yeah, we're just chilling.
Very chillin'. Very chillin'.
Yeah. Such bright light.
And that's it for this one. See
See ya.
Yeah, see ya. Bye. Look at my white finger.